Kanisa regulated non-withdrawable deposit-taking savings and credit cooperative society, in short KanisaSACCO, is a membership-based financial institution founded formally by the staff of the All Africa Conference of Churches and was registered by the Ministry of Cooperative Development on 10th August 1981. It started with members from faith-based non-governmental organizations but opened its common bond in 2004, allowing membership from every economic sector in Kenya.
These days, when we read from the history book, is that SACCOs, they had a common bond. And for you to join that SACCO, you needed to be part of the common bond. And the common bond that time was basically of organizations. They started with All Africa Conference of Churches, and because Church World Service was also working in the same compound, they had an office in the same compound, like the ACC. They also now recruited staff of Church World Service. They brought in other organizations within the compound. But the journey has been long until 2004 when the Cooperative Act was repealed, and now they opened the common bond.
The year 2021, therefore, is a special year when we celebrate 40 years of our shared prosperity. It is a time for us to commemorate and celebrate the 40 years of our existence while building a sense of pride, ownership, and patronage among members to spur future growth.
I foresee a lot of growth in our membership. I foresee a lot of growth in our financial capacity and our ability to provide more and better services to our members. I foresee growth in the form of us opening up our products or innovating and repositioning our products and services to better serve the emerging needs of our members.
The member of the management was serving from the workstations from the organization. I remember when I came for my first loan, the then honorary secretary was the one who was serving, and I could walk to her desk workstation and just pick my check. So over the years, that's when we found the need to have a staff, and we hired our first staff.
Founded on the principle of enhancing members' economic foundations by encouraging and promoting a culture of saving and prudent borrowing, the SACCO is licensed to undertake back office savings and lending activities where members come together to save, pull together their resources, and borrow to develop themselves. KanisaSACCO is governed by a 9-member board of directors elected by members at the annual general meeting. The board works through 3 committees, namely the Credit and Risk Management Committee, Finance and Administration Committee, and the Education and Business Development Committee. 1/3 of the directors retire on rotation each year, but can offer themselves for re-election.
We are living at a time when technology has even enabled our members to access services from wherever they are in the continent or in the world. So it's been a long journey. We are happy that today we are over 3,000 members from a membership of 18 members to today when we are saying we have 3,500. It's a journey that it's worth celebrating, and it's a journey that also we need to safeguard.
Day-to-day operations are managed by a team of staff and consultants under the direction of the Chief Executive Officer, who reports to the Board of Directors.
The correspondences from the members, especially regarding their payments and any receipting. I ensure that any payments that are due to the members or any service providers are made on time and promptly.
A 3-member supervisory committee, also elected by members at a general meeting, is responsible for ensuring that the society is compliant with all rules, regulations, and internal controls as set out in the society's bylaws and policies, and as required by the SACCO Societies Act 2008 and the SACCO Societies non-WDT Business Regulations of 2020. 1 member of the committee retires annually on rotation but can offer themselves for re-election.
The supervisory committee, it offers oversight of the SACCO's operations, and it actually ensures that the internal controls that has been put in place by the board, they are actually working for the sake of our members.
Over the last 4 decades, KanisaSACCO has grown in membership, financial strength, product development, and in its impact in supporting the achievement of the dreams of its members across different spheres of the society. KanisaSACCO has continued to build financially empowered individuals who support themselves, their families, and their community to achieve their goals.
The value or the satisfaction you get is in serving your fellow members, and also it gives you the opportunity to look after your investments. Of course, when you are there now, you make sure that things are okay, yes, for you and your fellow investors.
Let us appreciate the journey that KanisaSACCO has traveled so far.
With the coming into force of the SACCO Society's non-WDT business regulations of 2020, KanisaSACCO is now under the supervision of the SACCO Society's regulatory authority, SASRA.
Regulatory authority, we basically regulate SACCOs that do deposit-taking business and also SACCOs that do specified non-withdrawable deposit-taking SACCOs. The specified non-withdrawable deposit-taking SACCOs are basically in three categories in terms of what Regulation 2020, explains. Now, KanisaSACCO falls within one of those categories, which is a SACCO that has got member deposits of 100 million and above.
With a vision to become the leading one-stop financial institution offering diverse products and services for members' economic empowerment, KanisaSACCO seeks to promote thrift, prudent management, members' participation, regular education and development of dynamic systems to ensure its growth.
Key in this is the delaying gratification. As a young person, there are many competing demands for your money, but you can delay gratification and put that in savings. That is what I've been able to do because I could have put that money in other ways, but I sought to delay gratification so that I can build my savings, and from the savings I borrow to invest in various ways. So delaying gratification is key, and it takes sacrifice for you to be able to make savings. Otherwise, we live in a world that encourages us to consume, and consume.
To become a member, one must complete a membership application form and assign nominees to their account, pay an unrefundable admission fee, and purchase the minimum non-refundable but transferable shares. Upon admission, members are required to pay monthly contributions, repay their loans as due, participate in SACCO activities, and adhere to the set bylaws and policies. KanisaSACCO members have access to a wide range of products and services, among them the following: 13 affordable loan products with varying interest rates and repayment periods from 1 to 72 months. Loan-related services such as refinancing, factoring, consolidation, and deposit boosting. Loan collateral services using members' own funds, land, title, deeds, and motor vehicles aside from using guarantors. Saving schemes for both members and their children that earn interest annually. Access to different products such as insurance, water tank, energy-saving GCOs, mobile phone devices, and bidding through strategic partnerships with different service providers. With a website, web portal, mobile app, and USSD platforms, members can access information about their accounts anytime at the click of a button, enhancing transparency, accountability, and integrity in our operations. To enhance value addition to members, the SACCO in 2014 established Kanisa Holdings Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary company that seeks to create strategic and innovative investment opportunities to benefit members of KanisaSACCO and the wider public. The company has to date executed 5 land buying projects that have allowed members to own land at discounted prices and to augment the earnings received as dividends and interests on deposit. In delivering services to its members, KanisaSACCO is guided by the cooperative values of self-help, self-responsibility, democracy, equality, equity, and solidarity. KanisaSACCO places great importance on engagement with members and has hence created opportunities for members to come together, The annual general meetings enable members' participation in decision-making, while the education days are a chance for team building and to learn about financial management and personal development. For new members, Chai Day acts as an induction to offer a deeper understanding of the society and its operations. Through the annual Charity Day, the SACCO contributes to helping the less fortunate in society. The SACCO also takes part in other activities for the wider cooperative movement, such as Ushirika Day celebrations. From starting with 18 staff of the All Africa Conference of Churches as members in 1981 to a current membership of over 3,300 drawn from tens of organizations spanning across different sectors of business and society, KanisaSACCO has realized tremendous growth and stability over the 40 years of its existence.
I really give thanks to God for this SACCO, because over time we have had very committed leadership, and leadership for a SACCO is everything. A leadership that is honest, a leadership that is truthful, a leadership that is accountable both to themselves and also the members.
Immediately you start working, then you start saving. First of all, because you'll be eligible to take loans and you can build your finances as early as possible. And that has helped me even to teach my children to do that, because they know they were educated through KanisaSACCO. So they are all members of SACCOs wherever they are.
With a share capital of 23.5 million, core capital of 37.4 million, member deposits of 401.9 million, and total assets of 490 million, the SACCO is well funded to meet the needs of its members. KanisaSACCO's current loan portfolio is 348.4 million, which is a sign of how great its investment in the progress of its members is.
I would tell the members that they have made the right decision to join KanisaSACCO, to urge them to continue being members of our society, continue flying our flag high, be our brand ambassadors, and also to make sure that they fulfill also their obligations.
Prudent investment and management of the members' funds have seen returns grow steadily and sustainably over the years. The demands of the SACCO Society's non-WDT business regulations of 2020 offers opportunities for even greater growth and stability. The SACCO's office operations have also significantly grown. Today, the functions of the board and management are separated, leading to greater efficiency and effectiveness. The SACCO also has a modern, fully functional and well-equipped office space in an accessible location from where members receive professional, timely and responsive services.
SACCO staff work as a team. We have the credit department, the finance, the front office and business development. We work towards ensuring that our members receive the services promptly and efficiently, and ensuring that their needs are well addressed and any queries that members have are well addressed.
The SACCO has fully embraced technology, with its operations being powered by the latest in the market enterprise resource planning system. It has a regularly updated website with information about the society, as well as a web portal, mobile phone application, and USSD system from where members can access information and services. The SACCO is also active on major social media sites. This 40-year growth journey has been made possible by the efforts, dedication and sacrifice of all the subsequent leaders and staff who committed their time, skills and even resources to govern and grow the society. The board thanks them for their vision and foresight, whose fruits are celebrated and enjoyed today. The members too have been steadfast in patronizing the SACCO by making it part of their success journey. This faith and trust is what fuels the society's progress. The impact KanisaSACCO has had on its members over the last 40 years is a testament to the central role we play in the lives of our members, their families, and communities. Apart from the dividends and interest on deposits paid to each member annually, the financial management and personal development education, members have benefited from having a safe place to accumulate wealth through saving and investing them. Many others have taken loans to execute various personal and commercial projects, like educating themselves on their children, owning land and building their homes, and starting or growing their businesses in different sectors.
I needed now, because I saved towards a goal. I want to maybe take money for school fees. There's no single day I've come and I was told there's no money. So I think that continuity, it's a safe environment that I can plan with KanisaSACCO.
When pressed down with unavoidable circumstances, members have looked to the SACCO for finances to take up life and general insurance products, pay medical bills for their loved ones, and even help their families get through difficult periods like that occasioned by the global COVID-19 pandemic that left many people jobless or with closed businesses.
I've also been able to get a loan, and the terms are fair enough. In case you are in a place that you are unable to pay because of one reason or another, they can pardon you for some period of time until you become a bit stable. Then you can come back and pay. So in a way, it is flexible, and it covers everyone. So there's no, they deal with you according to your level.
These milestones in the financial empowerment of our members are the reason why the SACCO exists. Growth, security, and impact are core to our financial services offering that supports members to achieve their desired financial goals. In recent years, KanisaSACCO's progress and impact have made it to be recognized by the Cooperative Movement's national apex body, the Cooperative Alliance of Kenya. In 2018, the SACCO emerged as the second most efficient and the second best community-based SACCO in savings management in the rigorous adjudication process, which considers SACCO operations under the following 7 pillars: membership, finance, credit administration, products and services, governance, information technology, and human resource management. The following year, the SACCO recorded improvements in 6 out of the 7 award categories, with an overall 10.83% change in the scores awarded, to emerge the second most efficient and the second best managed community-based SACCO. These awards mean that the SACCO has been consistent in the delivery of quality services to its membership, something the society takes pride in. The exercise and related processes are credible and useful for the growth and development of any SACCO, so taking part in it is something the SACCO leadership takes seriously. In the race for compliance with the SACCO regulations of 2022, KanisaSACCO was number 32 to receive the Certificate of Compliance from the SACCO Regulatory Authority out of the 198 specified non-withdrawable deposit-taking SACCOs that applied for regulation. This is an indication of the commitment of the board and management to ensure the society does its business in the right way to guarantee both short-term and long-term safety and returns on members' funds. Looking into the future, KanisaSACCO's focus will be on consistently improving on its management and service delivery to members, rigorous marketing to attract new members, expanding its products and service offering to members by re-engineering existing ones and developing new ones to meet emerging member needs. With technology offering new opportunities for growth and service delivery, the SACCO also looks to leverage ICT and strategic partnerships with different stakeholders and service providers to better position itself as a stable and reliable financial service partner to drive its growth over the next decade. In the long term, KanisaSACCO also envisions transforming from its current back-office savings business model, commonly known as BOSA, into a quasi-bank front-office savings model, commonly known as FOSA, and expansion with branches in other towns across the country beyond just Nairobi.
Going to help our clients or our customers, and we thank them because they continue patronizing them. We have seen people build homes, we have seen people even start business, and they are able to grow themselves and support their families based on what we have been able to afford them as facilities from this institution.
The SACCO has also made a commitment to contribute to the empowerment of the next generation of SACCO members through a financial education program that will see thousands of children and young people imparted with financial knowledge from an early age, inspired to adopt a saving culture and better equipped to understand how to manage money.
Also, another unique product called Elimu Loan, which is the cheapest loan you can get in Kanisa. This loan is unique because we at Kanisa, we value education, and we try to help our members to be in a position to take their kids to school without any hassle.
To the members, KanisaSACCO is not just a financial services provider. It is a family, a friend, and a partner in their journey towards personal development and financial independence. Thank you, members, for your support over the years. The SACCO counts on your continued patronage for our shared prosperity over the next decade. If you're wondering where to begin your financial development journey, KanisaSACCO welcomes you. We will walk with you, just like we have worked with over 3,000 others like you since 1981. Send us an email at info@KanisaSACCO.org or call us on +254 2044 50135 254 714 612 049 254 780 612 049 or WhatsApp us on 254 741 931 275. You can also connect with us on social media at KanisaSACCO across Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. For more information, visit our website www.KanisaSACCO.org or walk into our office located at Desmond Tutu Conference Center within the All Africa Conference of Churches compound along Waiyaki Way in Westlands, Nairobi.